and welcome. This is Sandeep, and today we are going to discuss how you can automate your solar business. But before I start, let me give my introduction. I'm from STW Services. We help businesses to automate their business process with the help of AI and software. So let's start. So friends, now we'll see that how you can create lead from website and then you can manage it using your CRM system. So my friend, we have a website, and in the same way, you might have website in WordPress or whatever the front end you are using. That is where you will have a link that request a quote, and customer will come on this page. They will fill their information. For example, Ishan, and you will give the name like whatever phone number you want to add. You will add, and then gmail.com, your company name, Ishan Demo Company, and then you will add requirement, like customer will add the requirement required. So requirements for installing solar panels in my office. So now customer will submit this lead, and let's see that how you can manage this lead in CRM. So let's go back to the CRM. For that, my friend, whatever domain you are using, with that, you will just add /Odoo and you will land on this page. This is Odoo dashboard page where you can see all those applications. So in case if you are not able to see the CRM app, it means that you haven't installed it. So you will go in apps, and that is where you will search CRM. So again, you will search and you will get this app, install it. Let's go back to the dashboard page, and then you will able to see it. Click on CRM, and here, my friend, the strange part is that you are not able to see that lead because that is not qualified lead, and this is a opportunity pipeline. So whatever leads you think that from those leads you will able to make business, that is what you will have here. So to check that lead which you created from your which customer created from your website, for that you have to go in leads, and that is where you can see requirement for installing solar panel in my office, and this is what Isan posted from your website. So I will open it. Now you can see the complete requirement you can add. So what you will do is, you think that you got the lead, now you have to make a call. You will make a call, and then you will qualify that lead. So you will log a activity uh, to call. So I will call, and you can also change the date that tomorrow you are going to call this lead and make a call to verify. And then whatever, like some notes you want to add, you will add. I will add the same log, make a call to verify, and then you will schedule it. Once you will schedule, you can see here we have a activity log. So tomorrow you will come and you will able to see one to do to make a call to that particular lead. So this is how you will not forget it. That's the beauty. And then you will make a call, you will update each and everything, whatever you think that you will get information from that customer. That is what you can update here. And then you think that this lead is a qualified lead. So you will click on convert to opportunity. So you will convert, you will select a salesperson and sales team. And after that, my friend, you can see we have two options. Option one, create new customer. So in case this lead, you think that this lead is a totally fresh lead, in that case, you will select create a new customer. But in case if you think that no, this lead, this requirement you got from a existing client, in that case you will select this one. But in our case it is a new customer, so I will just select the first one and click on create opportunity. So once you will click, you can see you will go in my pipeline, and this lead is here in new stage. So now you will log, like make a meeting, you will do meeting with that particular customer, you will open calendar, and you think that Sandeep, I can do meeting next week someday, like the, so we'll go to next week and I will do meeting on Tuesday. So I will just open log a meeting, so you can see, and then we'll go back and you will able to see that meeting log here. So you will do the meeting and you will find that, oh, this lead is a qualified lead. So you will move in a qualified. And then after that, you think that after some activities or something, you thought that this now it's time for site survey. So you will click on site survey. So now this lead will move in a site survey. And then you think that, like, you will send quotations, you will open it, you will create a quotation based on the site Reiki, that these are the products required to install solar panel in Ishan's office. So that is what you will do, and then you will add all those products what is required for this site, and then you will save it, you will send to Ishan, send by email. You can see here is the Ishan email address and the content. If you want to change the content, the total amount is here, everything, and then you will send. So that log also you can see here, the quotation you sent. And once Ishan will confirm, it means that you got that order. So once you got that order, what you will do is you will come to this pipeline, you will click on one. Means that you won this order. In case you lost, you will click on lost. But if you got sales order, means that he is your customer. In that case, you will click on one, and that is what we can see. You can see that lead here. So my friend, after that, you can see you go in quotations, and in sales order, you already created a sales order. So you will go in a sales order and you will able to see that sales order here. So the next step is you got the sales order. Now you need to do field service. Yani, means that your members will go on that particular site and install everything. For that, you will go in field service. You will create a new task like install solar panel in Ishan's office. So you will create a field service task. You will click on save, and then you will add some task, for example, installation, then cleaning, then testing, then sign. So these are the subtasks you created under this. Here you will select the Ishan. So I will select Ishan as a customer, Ishan demo company. So that is what you can see here. And then you will save it. So now you can see we have a start button. It means that whenever your members, your employees will go on that particular site, they will click on start and they will start logging all those hours when they are working on that particular site. So you can see like time is running, and once you think that task is done, you will click on stop. And now the system will give you option that you think that no, I spent around 2 hours, and here you can see just 15 minutes. So in that case, you can adjust it. So I will just type 2 hour and log it. And also you can add some note and log. So now you will go in time sheet and you can see whatever time you logged, that is what you can see here. In next, like you think that the first task is done, so you will click on this particular task, you will, like, your client will check and approve, so you will click on approved and then done. So this is how you will approve, like you will start, log the time, you will stop the time, you will log it again, then you will go and mark is done. So one by one you will mark done each and every task. But now we have to get the sign. So here you can see we have a button sign report. So we'll click on sign report, and there we can see a button sign report. So you click on that, draw, and here Ishan will sign, and then sign it. You will come back to our page once again. So we'll go to the field service and all task, and here is the that particular task. So you can see now it is signed and attached with this field service task. So now it's time to mark done. So we will mark it as done. If you want to send the report, in case you think that whatever you done, that report you want to send to your client, like Santo, Ishan, in that case, you will what you will do is you can change it, and you can see the attachment is attached here automatically. Then you will send, and the complete report will go to your client. And now that log also you can see here. So after that everything is done, you will create an invoice. So you will click on create invoice, a regular invoice, and then confirm and print and send. So you will send this an invoice to your client because work is done. The next part, my friend, again you created a sales order, but that sales order is not, the invoice is not sent to your customer because that order you got and you install everything, all those products. So what you will do is you will go and you can see sales order. So you will open this sales order, and then here you can see order to invoice. So click on order to invoice, and then you will open this, the essence one, create invoice, the same process, the confirm, print and send, and you will able to send the invoice to your customer. So this is how you will able to charge field services as well, and you will able to charge for your product and items as well, cost and material. This is how you will able to charge your customer. Then you will go back to the accounting, and here in customer invoices, and you will able to see all those invoices like Isan's demo company, two invoices we have here. You will open that particular invoice, and in case like you got payment, you will click on a got payment, create payment, and you can see payment mark is done here. In case like you have to cancel this invoice, you need to generate credit note. That is what you can do. Again, for the next one, you will go here, you can see in payment, you will open this one, and you can also create invoice for this. So this is how you will manage your invoices in accounting. So now what we did, starting from creating a lead, then qualifying that lead, creating invoice, and converting that, creating quotation, and then converting that quotation in a sales order, then creating a field service task, getting that task done, and then sending report to your customer, getting signed, and create invoice for your field service work, and then invoice for your sales order. Everything you can manage at one place in Odoo. And if you want any help, connect us. With this, I'm going to end this video. And if you like my content and this is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you want to automate your business, please connect us. So see you in next video.